Hello everyone, it's your Captain Frcho. I'm going to my vineyard again, but first I need to get and pick up some pallets. I'm gonna bring them there. I'm gonna need them. Next week I have 4 days off and I'll continue arranging my vineyard. So this is why I'm going there. Okay, I just heard on the radio this traffic jam has been caused by some major accident, and I'm also going this way towards this accident. Okay, I have arrived to the place where I'm picking up the pallets. Okay, now let's go to my vineyard. Oh, come on, another one. About 1 mile back, I just passed an accident site, and now I see there's another one. Come on. A second accident site. Somebody went over the fence, over the wall, rolling over probably. Look at the vehicle, yeah, this is why the fire department was there. And there's also another damage vehicle. Rambo. I will come next week and I will, well, dig. Over there, this rock, I will cut it one way or another. Look, my dog is waiting for me. Okay, now let's unhook the trailer and go down there in reverse. Okay, editor, now we're gonna see if this accident is still there. Okay, there is no accident site anymore. Let's park the car. Okay, I will continue with this video next week. Hello everyone, it's your Captain Frcho. I'm going to my vineyard to continue with my project there, since I can't continue with my project at sea. The last time I came there for just 1 day to deliver some material and to do some work, I did not do much work. Let me just tell you that if you're new around here, you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, so you just might learn some stuff. I hope you like the video, and I also like to see your comments. And this is what went wrong and why I didn't do anything last time. This traffic jam has been caused by some major accident. I'm gonna lose at least an hour. Oh, come on, another one. You see? Everything went wrong. It was not my fault, but still. So now let's do it. Okay, I have a new wheelbarrow now. I just have to buy it. I have 2 more, but they are at sea. And I have one at my vineyard, but it cannot survive the load I need to load on. Okay, now let's prepare this. And of course, when my mom went to hardware store, I asked her to buy some screws. I have written down all the dimensions I need and everything to fill up this box. Of course, probably because my mom is not an engineering woman, she brought the screws with the wrong type of head. You see, with this kind of head. And I want to have a head like this, normal head. But it's okay. I do have adapters, so now I'm gonna use adapters. I'll have to. If you need something, don't send your mom to hardware store. She's not gonna buy the right thing. Well, if I could put them on in one piece, like I wanted to, it would be done with just 8 screws. No, with 4 screws. Now I'm using 8 screws to put those things on. And also some other screws I'm gonna use. This is also what my mom bought, the wrong size. And it was written what I need. So I'm gonna spend triple the amount of screws just to make this thing. But it's okay, no worries. This is what engineers do, right? Find a solution to a problem. We never see a problem as a problem, we see it as an opportunity. Yeah, this is here somewhere. Okay, no damage. There's no damage, okay. But I have no idea what happened. Something gave way underneath, but I don't see any damage. I didn't penetrate the roof. That's good. Otherwise I would need to take it apart and replace one of those. Okay, good. I do have reserve, you know, for just in case. Okay. Cool, no damage. But what happened underneath, I have no idea. Okay, now let's continue with my work. I dig everything out. It's difficult to get on and off. Okay, successful job. Perfect! Perfect! That's perfect! I don't even need to modify them. That will be perfect. I have 3 of those and 3 more back. Yeah. Cool. Now this is it. Okay, now I'm just gonna get all my video recordings on a computer and make myself dinner. Then that's it for today. Tomorrow my mom will come. She said she might come, but now I know that she will come. So, okay, this is how my platform looks like. Yeah, I think it's good. I'll have to build another one from the other side. But first I need to dig all this. But before I do anything, for this time, I'll take those plastic trash onto the trailer. I'll try to do it before my mom arrives. No more space on my trailer. Okay, now let's continue making the platform. I need to do some measurements. I don't want to cut it. Okay, I am going to cut it, but I'm gonna cut the other one. Now let's put this one in and continue with my platform. Okay, this is now ready. Yeah, if I would have 2 more of those, it would be much better. And I would not need this centerpiece. It's okay. It will hold. If you doubt it will hold, it will hold. I built it. Yeah, my mom came and the first thing she do is making lunch. Now I have to deal with this before I continue work. Yeah, I need to support all this before I make holes in it and pour water inside, and then I only need 4 to 6 days of freezing temperatures and this will disappear. Probably we're gonna need to stop work for today due to the rain. Some things always go wrong. When I'm doing something, some things always go wrong. Now let's see if my mom knows how to start a fire. Time to go to sleep. Okay, this is more or less prepared. There's still a little bit dirt on top, but now I'm gonna start drilling holes in it and from top. Okay, I'm gonna use this one to make holes, and then I'm gonna make some larger holes with this one. Okay, this shouldn't supposed to happen. It almost broke my hand. It's evening time and it's time for lunch, late lunch. My mom's cooking, you know. Before she goes home, she needs to cook something. She just had. Okay, it's morning of the last day I'm here. And it's sunny today. And they said it's gonna rain. Let's take a look. Where the fuck did all the water go? How much water does it go inside? All the water from yesterday is practically gone. Okay, I'll fill it up. All those holes, I'll fill them up again. No problem. Let's fill up the holes again. This way of getting rid of the rock requires some extreme engineering skills. Well, let me tell you, for me this is not some extreme engineering. This is just using a Mother Nature to do the work for me. More or less they are full of water now. I only need 4 to 6 days of freezing temperatures and all this section of rock will break, will crack. But now, for the first time in my life, I am open for donations. If you're willing to donate something, that's very appreciated. And even if you can't do anything, you will help a lot if you just share the video. Okay, this is getting way more expensive than I can even afford. But if I want to produce wine the way that ancient civilizations did, I just have to do this. And this wine will be without any chemicals or anything. It will be, like I said, the same way that ancient civilizations did. And the break, then I'll continue. Okay, now the rain has come. That was it for this time. I'm now already packing up, cleaning up the place. In a few moments I'll leave and I'll continue with arranging my vineyard next time. And of course I'm hoping the Mother Nature will do the work for me. It will break this rock. My mom made this. This is the last piece. And before I leave, I'm gonna eat this, of course. One last cup of tea and one last smoke before I leave. Until the next time. But anyway, I am your Captain Frcho, and this was part 4 of arranging my vineyard. You're more than welcome to comment on just about anything. If you're new around here, well, I would appreciate if you subscribe. And also you just might learn something of how to do stuff and stuff like that. Okay, I hope you liked the video and I see you with the next one. Yeah, and if you also share this video with people you know, well, I would really appreciate it. Well, that was it for now. Captain Frcho is out. Okay, that was it. Let's go. Oh, god damn, this rain. This is a lot more work to do. And it's way more expensive than I can afford. So as I mentioned before, I am now open for donations. Like I always donate to anyone for just about anything. So maybe somebody will donate something to me. Maybe you. And if you can't, well, you can just share the video with the people you know, and maybe somebody will. Maybe somebody has a good heart. There is still a lot of people with good heart around, so probably it would be a good idea if you share it, and I would really appreciate it. And thank you already. Okay, let's go.